A German court in Cologne made a controversial decision on circumcision last June. It banned the procedure as inhumane. After this court ruling, the head of Germany's medical association said he was advising colleagues across Germany against performing circumcisions to avoid any risk of criminal prosecution. We took to the streets of Brussels to ask people if they thought it was right to ban circumcision, like it has been done in Cologne last month. Take a listen.
I think people have the right to do their own religion and to have their own right. I don't understand really the ban. Probably because they think the people who, the little children, we have the consequences when they will be bigger, and they think this is not good. They have to wait to decide themselves if they want the circumcision or not.
I'm not in favor of these things because in my culture people don't do it, but I cannot say something against it. I don't know it, I don't understand it. So I think people must have the right to do whatever they want, if this is what they think is right. If people get hurt, like we had reports from circumcision on women, then it's something else, then I would be against.
Very difficult question because I think it is perhaps different from person to person, and so in 2 minutes I cannot give you a right answer because I need some time to think about it. But banning for women, yes, but banning for men, it's perhaps a medical question also.
I think it's up to people themselves to decide, but yeah, I heard otherwise. I have stories of men who have been circumcised and who regretted that their parents did it to them when they were a baby. I think it's up to people themselves. To ban it, to put everything in regulations, it's a bit too much, I think. People can decide themselves. To start too much rules and imposing whatever, yeah, it's a bit too much, I think.
Jews and Muslims across the world have criticized the ruling as an intrusion and a reduction of their religious freedom and parental rights. Both religions require circumcision on male babies, and the leaders of both faiths gathered in Brussels and Berlin 2 weeks ago to demand a reversal of the ban. For the time being, the prohibition is still in force, and many see it as part of a growing religious intolerance in Europe. Frédéric Larizet, JN1, Brussels.